The vision is pretty clear. It's all about quality and joy. So people should come here and relax and enjoy our food, enjoy our ground products, because that's it. So we want to keep the value chain really in the local region that it makes sense to everyone.
Hallo ihr Lieben und herzlich willkommen bei unserem neuen Segment Daring Locally, where we spotlight locals daring here in Vienna. In today's episode, we are going to be spotlighting one very daring Viennese local, Herr Jürgen Sattler, who began a business during a pandemic. If you think that's daring enough, then you need to think again, because Herr Jürgen Sattler did not only open a business during a pandemic, he actually ventured into the world of owning a restaurant business for the first time. He's a banker turned into a restaurant owner. Let's go, let's find out. How dare he? The Sattlerei is located here on Heinestrasse 25 in the 2nd district of Vienna. We arrive on a cold winter day in January. And as we walk in, we are pleasantly greeted by a warm, cozy, elegant, and an inviting interior that's speaking to everything fine and dining. While the restaurant remains ghosted due to the lockdown, the Glasserei is teeming with activity. It seems to be a popular place for everyone.
Also ich finde es hier sehr elegant, stilvoll und sehr schön. Also einladend, sehr einladend.
Okay. Wohnt ihr hier um die Ecke?
Ja.
Ja. Wir finden es sehr schön, wie schnell es sich entwickelt hat, auch jetzt
Ja,
in dieser
genau.
Zeit vor allem, was zu öffnen. Aber passt alles sehr schön zusammen.
Okay. Und woher wisst ihr, dass ihr das offen habt? Habt ihr das
Wir
zufällig
sind
gesehen?
eben, ja,
Wir
wir haben
sind
es doch
zufällig
beim
zu weit.
Aufbau
Ich glaub,
noch gesehen.
Am 1.
Also wir haben
Jänner
noch
haben wir
gesehen, wie
das
alles
gesehen,
dazu
gell?
war und sich langsam
Das schon langsam
aufgebaut
geöffnet
hat.
wird.
Und ja, also es hat sich ausgezahlt und der Effekt ist, also guter Effekt, sehr schön.
Wirkt sehr elegant in dem Viertel.
Super, danke.
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 Schönen Tag noch.
People are walking in to grab a coffee to go or a cutting of the locally and regionally sourced products. So without much further ado, let's go in and find out first of all who they are, how and why they started a restaurant business, why a restaurant business during a pandemic, what have been the challenges, what products and services are they offering, and finally, last and not the least, we'll hear a message from the founder or the CEO. But before that, Herr Sattler, could we get a quick tour of your exquisite restaurant, if that's okay with you?
Yeah, but as you see, we are not finished yet with the construction site. But you can. This is basically. I mean, it's self-explanatory, basically, at least it should be. So the main entrance here will be a reception area. There will be hangers for coats like here and there, so this still needs to be finished. Then you see the main room, direct focusing into the kitchen. Yeah. That will be a bit more the lively area. Yes. And the transparency is very important to us, so into the kitchen. And here's then the wine bar. So here you can just come and drink with your friends and have fun and get something from our bar menu. So there will be little things you can have here to snack and enjoy the wines.
As you observe the beautiful restaurant.
And then at the rear end, it's a bit more quiet area. Here we'll have the 3 tables here, and over there is the chef's table.
Hello.
The chef's table is for 12 people. As you see, we're still work in progress here. That's Sebastian, that's our sommelier and restaurant manager.
Yeah.
And here's the chef's table area, focusing onto the beautiful walk-in wine storage.
There's a walk-in wine storage.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So There's still plants missing, you know, a bit
plants will go
of
here.
green stuff, yeah.
This is where the plants will go, very nice and cozy. And that's the kitchen.
And that's the kitchen.
It's a walk-in. Oh, sorry. The walk-in cellar. All right. Great. It's very cozy. Very.
Thank you. So we just closed that here because at the moment the customers are not allowed to enter any further than our little shop here. Yeah.
So great. So maybe we can start by just getting to know you.
So it's a pure family business. Louis' son-in-law, he's the head chef in the kitchen, and I'm just totally out of the blue jumped into this project because I used to be a banker basically, and I decided 2 years ago, being 48, okay, that's it. I don't want any longer. I don't feel it. The passion's gone. I want to do something passionate. Yeah, we started this project 2 years ago already, in a concept phase and planning, and then we found this spot which is terrific. Yeah, it's really it caught us immediately because we are living nearby, my wife and me, and then we just discovered that and wow, how interesting this is. Yeah, spectacular. And then we started to talk to the owner and to architects and got some first drafts of the plans ready, and we were quite excited. And then we started with Louis, who is the chef, to talk about the concept and also the kitchen style and how we could set it. As my wife and me, I love to eat and enjoy food and drink, especially wine. We say, okay, what we can do best is put all the resources together that we have in the family, the know-how, and set something up that makes really sense and is sustainable, because we'd love to build something up and then the young guns can take over. Yeah.
Wow. To leave an inheritance.
Exactly,
Yes, okay.
Exactly.
So have you done a restaurant there before? Or?
Nope, it's the first. So what I bring in basically is my know-how and experience in terms of stuff, so HR side, financials, so the accounting, controlling stuff, clients, and products. That's so sales. That's what I'm into. And my wife, she's in the media business, and that's it basically.
So maybe what could you say have been the challenges? Because I can imagine.
Many, of course. I mean, the virus, the pandemic, you can't take into account. That's here. So you need to deal with it. If you can't deal with something like that, you're in the wrong job. So it postponed the project a bit, but not aggressively. So of course, we would love to open and offer our products already, but we can't. So that's the downside. The flip side of the coin is that the labor market is quite good at the moment for us. So we get high quality people, and that's what we're really happy of.
How, explain this, the labor market is very good. That's interesting.
Good in terms there is a lot of good quality stuff available on the market, because they are, especially in the gastronomy, not many restaurants sent them on Kurzarbeit, so they were just fired. So they are unemployed, basically. And that was the only positive thing. For us. For them, it's of course not very positive.
So what products are you able to offer now during the lockdown and COVID situation? Yeah,
at the moment, luckily that we are doing the Kreislerei, we can offer our products that we have for takeaway. So you can see it's all regional products. Okay, Vorarlberg is not really regional, but it's west of Austria. So a friend of ours are doing the cheeses on their Alp. And then there is Neusiedlersee Nationalpark, and they have here the Mangalitsa pig, and the beef is from the Graue Steppenrind, that is the one with the long horns. And yeah, so for us it's very important to have high quality ground products. Buying them local, that's it. So we want to keep the value chain really in the local region that it makes sense to everyone. So to the customer, they get to know products they wouldn't know. So, and the guys who are delivering the products, that they can cut out the intermediary trader. So that's
So
very
you're going
important.
direct to them.
We're going direct to them. Yeah.
Wow, that's very good. So if you like to support local producers, then you know where to go.
On the beer side, we are working together with Stiegl. So we have 3 types of beers from Stiegl, which is their Spezial beer. And then we have the Biozwickel. Then we have a couple of bottles. Not too many, so that's what makes it very interesting for us. So because it's special products you can't get.
You can't get
So that's very important to us, so that we offer something that is new and difficult to access. So
Rare.
it's rare. So we have 150 different wines, which you can also take away or consume in-house. So the main factor is that we are doing organic growth and biodynamic only, plus some winemakers that we really know by heart. And then we test them. And so we did a testing of almost 500 different wines, and then we came to the selection of the 150.
So they are carefully selected.
Exactly.
And Austrian, of course.
Mainly Austrian, but there is a couple of German Rieslings. There is a bit of France, of Spain, Italy, and when it goes into the orange natural wines, we do a bit of Eastern Europe as well. But we stay on the continent. We have 3 pillars, which is the restaurant, the wine bar, and the Kreislerei, was the takeaway products. That's it basically. So we're doing the breakfast, we're doing lunch, we're doing then the evening dinner, which is at the high level, but we wanna open up for as many people as possible.
And so people are walking in to make the orders, or
Yeah.
are you also doing deliveries?
Deliveries, nope. The point with the deliveries is as soon as you walk out the door with our food, it's gone. So you can't guarantee the quality of the food. So the perception you'll have when you open the box at home and eat it is totally different than when it's served at the table. So it loses quality because it loses temperature. If we would do the takeout, we would need to completely cook differently, like then we do the stews and so on. But the only thing what we are selling as takeaway at the moment is our famous pork belly, because we love pork bellies. It's the best part of the pork, in my opinion. So we do pork belly warm in a baguette with bit of cabbage and homemade mustard and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing at the moment. We want that our guests or our customers get exactly that what we are producing. So, and we can't guarantee. We know that it won't be the case if you take it out and heat it up again or eat it not hot.
That's true. Okay, maybe now to the final thing.
I appreciate if people come and see us and start enjoying our wonderful products. Yeah? And I want to see sparkling in their eyes when they do that. That's what I'm looking forward to.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this episode. And until next episode, tschüss, Wiedersehen. Kwaheri.